Hi guys, I'm Bhumika and today I'm hanging out with my friend who designs buildings and bridges and thinks he's really funny but he's actually not.
Hi guys, I'm Himanshu. So what are we doing today? You know I'm on a diet, right?
Yes, I was thinking we'd make a flawless chocolate cake.
How did you guess I was on a chocolate diet?
Ha, sounds good. Let's see how it's done.
In this bowl, I have some unsalted butter to which I'm adding some really dark chocolate. I'm going to melt this in the microwave for about a minute. Stir this well and add caster sugar. Give it a quick mix and then add 3 egg yolks. Mix again and set it aside. In another bowl, I have taken 3 egg whites that I will whip up using an electrical whisk. Once you see it frothing up, add caster sugar in 2 batches and bring it to stiff peaks. Now add half of the chocolate mixture and carefully fold it into the whipped egg whites. Let's add the rest of the chocolate mixture now and fold it well. Our cake batter looks ready, so let's pour it into our aluminum pan. I haven't greased this at all. Bake this at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Cool it completely and serve. And that's your lovely flourless chocolate cake.
So you know what my superpower is?
What?
I can make this piece of cake disappear.
Okay. Wow, you're so talented. If you guys like our lame jokes, do like this video.
And share it with all your friends.
And I'll see you next Saturday with more such recipe videos. See you next time.
So if you can't finish this cake, you can obviously put it in the refrigerator. But if you cannot finish this cake, what the hell is wrong with you?